Let's check out this free volume boosting app that comes with an equalizer, a volume booster, and bass booster. So it's got some cool stuff in it. It's all free. And of course, you can get this from the Play Store. I'll be testing this out on a OnePlus Nord phone. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Just to be clear, this is the app that you are going to be installing. You can get it from the Play Store. It is free. It will have ads playing every time you try to make a change, for the most part, not every time. And of course, I'm not affiliated with anyone here, so this is all based on my experience and just sharing with you the app. And of course, if you don't like it, you can just uninstall it, plain and simple. So let's go ahead into the app. So usually once you open it up for the first time, you will be here in this view mode where you got the extra boost, the volume, and the extra percentages that you can go to. So up to 100 is going to be your main volume for your OnePlus phone, and anything past 100 is going to be that extra volume boost. Okay, we got the equalizer here, which is going to look like this here. Be sure this is turned on. If it's turned off, you won't get access to it. You also got some presets which you can choose from, and they will all give you different sound effects. Once you're also in this view here, you can tap here and change the themes. Usually when you change the theme, it is going to kind of play an ad or so, but you can choose from the many themes here that is provided. All right, so I'll just go ahead and switch one for you just to see what's going to happen. I'll go with this one here, and this is the default one here. You got the edge lighting feature here. You can turn it on, customize it, but we're just here to see how well this performs, right? Right. Okay, so with all that said and done, now let's go into the sound. With edge lighting on, and we'll go to the volume area here, and of course it's mute. The song is playing right now. Adjust the volume for your earphones or speakers, and here we go. So we'll bring it out to 100%, then we'll toggle between 125, 150, 175.
You can decide the difference. All right, we got that. So not much of a difference. Then we got the presets here. So the presets usually, loud is good. You guys can hear. See how that goes? All right, so
basically there is going to be mostly sound difference or sound quality difference when we toggle between the equalizers. And you can see this is currently online, and there hasn't been an ad interrupting. So maybe with a few ads, maybe one or two ads later on, it might not play too much. But all in all, it's great. The volume booster doesn't seem to do much anyways, but that is that. Like and sub.